Top 10 Best Electric Lawnmower. Let's watch this cool video and get your best one. For more details please click the description tab. Review Mart, an utmost products review channel. Before you decide, search for www.reviewmartonline.com. Works best battery lawnmower, Leon Cordless Rotary Lawnmower. Intelligent technology, mowing with new technology, includes one-piece battery pack. Aerotek electric cordless lawnmower. The powerful 40-volt motor. Mow lawns of up to 400 meters squared. Adjustable cutting height. 50-liter grass collection box. Compact size for easy storage. 400mm cutting width. Yard Force cordless electric lawnmower. Powerful and lightweight lawnmower. 40-volt Samsung lithium-ion 2.5 amp battery. 32 cm cutting width. 5 cutting heights ranging from 25mm to 65mm. Soft grip, comfortable handle. Bosch Rotak electric rotary lawnmower. Ideal for small and mid-sized gardens. Cuts effortless along walls, flower beds and lawn edges. Weighing just 6.8 kilograms. Steel blade and powerful 1200 watt motor. Ryobi small electric lawnmower. 33 cm cutting path. 5 position, single point cutting height. Height adjustment from 25 to 65mm. Folding and removable handles. 35 liters of grass catcher. Flymo Speedi-Mo electric wheeled lawnmower. Cuts medium to large sized gardens. Designed to be simple, easy to use with useful carry handle. An easy to remove grass box. 5 settings between 20 to 60mm. Bosch Lawnmower Rotak 40. Cutting width of 40 centimeters. Ideal for larger areas. Innovative airflow technology. Leaf collect function. Steel blade ensures optimum grass cutting. Flymo Chevron wheeled electric small lawnmower. Powerful 1400 watts motor. 34 centimeter metal blade. 40 liter grass collection box. Rear roller. 12 meter mains cable. BLAUPUNKT electric lawnmower corded. 1800 watts 3400 RPM AC electric motor. Large 42 centimeters cutting diameter. Ideal for medium to large gardens. 50 liter grass collector bag. 6 cutting height adjustments. A 10 meter power cable. Save you storage space in the shed. Bosch AVR 1100 electric lawn mower. 1100 watt power drive motor. Fast and complete collection of moss and thatch. 50 liter collection box. Jet collect system. Large 50 liter collection box. Before you decide, search for www.reviewmartonline.com. Keep in touch to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching this video.